It's as simple
Don't let
as
her go under
something
there.
that nobody knows it. Her eyes are as big as her bubbly toes. On the feet of a queen of the hearts of the cards, and her feet are all covered with tar balls and scars. It's a common or something that nobody
Nathan
knows
is
it. Her
training her
beauty
how to
will
use a
follow
harness.
wherever she goes.
She's doing
Up the
pretty
hill
good.
in the back of her house.
We first
in
put
the
it on her,
woods.
she decided
She
she was
loved
going to
me
twist herself
forever,
up.
I know she
She's having to
could.
stamp on all the daisies and dandelions and stuff that are popping up so she doesn't get sick.
I remember when you and me, how we used to be just good friends. Wouldn't give me
I tell you,
nothing,
we got to mow the yard again.
but all I wanted was some.
Hi, Amelia.
She's got a whole lot of reason.
Oh, she likes that, doesn't she? Hi, Amelia. First cat we ever had that took to a harness. Don't pull her, Nate.